guys, and welcome back to my channel. So by the title, you already know what this video is going to be about. I am doing a protective style today, and Sky is on my table. So if you see something moving in this area, it my dog. That my dog. As you guys can see, I already have the twist in, and they probably look a little different than the ending result because I literally went ahead and started, and I just want to show you guys just like two of them in the front of how I did it, because you guys have seen this so many times on my channel. I know you already know how to do twists, and that's pretty much what it is. I left this section out so that you guys can watch me do like the last, I want to say 3 or so, but you are going to need a few things. Of course, you're going to need some water if your hair gets tangled up. It's just a water bottle that I got from Sally's, but you can get off Amazon. I'll link it below. Also, any gel of your choice. I'm using Eco Style flaxseed, black castor, and flaxseed gel because I have been obsessed with this recently and I wanted to use it again. And also, you're going to need combs, brushes, whatever you want to comb your hair out with. And for the banding portion, you are going to need some bands, or you're going to need stockings. You can do stockings. You can just cut them up in strips and band it that way, where you just wrap the bands around. But I have these bands that I got off Amazon as well. Also, you're going to need these gold clasps to put on the ends. Now, I don't have enough. That's why you only see them in the back right now. Let's just get started. If anything else pops up, I'll let you guys know. I mean, you'll clearly see me using it. Just going to take this section. Now, you can do triangle parts. I didn't do that, y'all. I really was lazy. I didn't want to do all that. I did a few triangle parts up here. I'm going to do 3 right here, I think. So I'm just going to go ahead and part this off. So I have my first section that I'm going to show you guys. So you want to make sure it's detangled. Might need to add some more water to it. Now, this style, you can add as much water and as much gel as you prefer for any type of style. So I'm just going to add what I like to add. I like to add a lot of gel. You guys already know. But I already have gel on my hair, so I'm just not going to add a lot. But I'm actually doing this on an old wash and go, you guys. So, like, it was an old wash and go, and I'm just like, let me just turn this into a hairstyle. So that's why it already has gel on it. But what I've been doing, you guys, is starting off with a braid, because you want the top to look really nice and flat. You don't want it to be poofy. So I like to start off with a nice tight braid, just about 4 times down. And then either connect the 2 pieces or split that 3rd piece in half to make sure they're like equal. And then I just like twist it down. Nothing too hard, you guys. So if you want them to be thicker, of course, use more hair, thicker sections. But if you want them to be small, smaller sections. And just twist. Like, literally, there's nothing to this. It's literally just twisting. I had some hair extensions. I started off by using hair extensions to do this. And then I was like, why am I using hair extensions? Like, no. I was like, I can make a hairstyle out of my own natural hair. So that's what I'm doing. Add some more of that gel. And then just twist it, girl, like a twist out. That's all this is. A twist out. With braids at the top. And what's going to make it cute is just rubber banding these ends. Oh, yeah, you need rubber bands. See? I told y'all it was going to be something else I was forgetting. Well, you can put it all the way down if you want it to be, like, super blunt. You can put the rubber band all the way down to the bottom. But what I'm doing, I want the curls to be at the end. So I'm just putting the rubber band a little higher than the curl would be at the end. And then this will curl up like the rest of them in a minute. And then it'll look like, you know, a nice coil on the end. That's what I done did all over my whole head. Now, I wanted a side part, so I made sure this part was straight. Well, I tried. And if y'all hear something in the background, that's a freaking heater, because I don't know why, but it's so cold in my house. That's exactly why I got this jacket on, because it just got cool in here all of a sudden. Because it started raining in Atlanta, so when it rained, it got a little cooler. So, yeah, I'm just going to do the same thing to these last 2. All right, you guys. So all of the twists are in. Now, here comes the part where it's probably going to matter the most. What I want is for all of my twists to kind of be the same, like, length. Of course, the bangs aren't going to be the same length, but I kind of want the rest of it to be. So that's where banding them are going to come in handy. What you want to do is you want to take all of your twists and grab them where you see the rubber band is going to be, because that's what you want to line up, especially if we're going to have these gold tassels on. You want all that to kind of like line up, you know. I'm going to take these 4 and I'm going to bend them. And I'm going to start the band where the rubber bands are. And then like double tighten that and work my way up. I just banded that so that all of that is the same length. So I'm going to do the same for this next one. Just make sure all of the rubber bands are lined up. Like some of them you may have to not band them as far. But as long as the rubber bands are lined up, that's what you want. Take a band where the rubber bands are. Then work your way up, work your way up. These three are banded. I am gonna lay it down with a scarf, and so that's gonna even more like elongate like the roots. So you don't have to worry about the roots. You're gonna take care of that. But this is one side banded, so I'm just gonna go ahead and band the other side, and I will be right back. So my hair is pretty much banded, hopefully to the same length as the other side. I think these two match, these two match. But this top, of course, I have bangs and stuff, so I just have these stretching basically at the same length. I'm gonna let these stretch. I'm actually about to go to the hair store and pick up some more of the gold clasps, and then I'll be back. Girl, I just got back from the beauty supply store. Went in to get the things, girl. Went in to get the things, right? What is this? They finally had the pineapple scent in the style booster, y'all. It smells so good. And my blueberry one bowed up, so I was like, girl, let me get there. I am doing a mini haul in the middle of a protective style video, but y'all understand. So the cold rods, I got some of these green ones, girl. I got the wet line. They finally got it at my beauty supply store. Girl, some old jam. You can never go wrong with getting some more combs. Makeup brushes. Girl, I just be getting stuff. All right, so I think I got like 5 of these, but I don't think I'm gonna need them all. But anyway, I just put this on my hair. This is the Grace Alea cap. So I just went ahead and put this on. And it's time to go ahead and take these bands out. They don't need to be on no longer than what they already have been. Go ahead and just unravel these. All right, so I'm gonna just keep taking these out.
Namaste, let me have you over. Get to know ya. Namaste, yeah. What you having? Let me go order up what you having. All the vibes that you give tell me you wanna live with someone who's relaxed. I'm relaxed. Are you single? Would you mind telling me if you're single? There's so much that I see, better love you and me. I've been playing by myself, maybe now with the team. What you thinking? It's important that I know what you're thinking. Cause a mind is a thing that's so terrible to waste. Plus I know that you're smart, I can see it in your face.
Alright you guys, so while I was putting on my makeup, I went ahead and banded my hair just one more time, just in pigtails, so that everything be smooth. And then I wrapped it down with my satin scarf. So I'm just going to take them out. And the only reason I rewrapped them is because they were still kind of wet when I took them out. So when you band them, just try to wait till they kind of dry before you take them out. So I would honestly band overnight, and I'm probably still going to band these overnight just to make sure it has that nice stretch I want. All right, you guys, this is what it looks like. Now I am going to take some additional gold thingies and just put them wherever I want. So a little higher up like that. Put another one on this front one because it's kind of poofy. It's my bang area because some of it just wouldn't cooperate. But we can fix that. Twist it a little bit. Midway. Alright, I'm going to put another one up here too, where this one is. Just to give it some kind of personal touch. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. This is my own hair. Like I said, I'm going to still stretch it out a little bit more so it's not so short, but I kind of like the whole bob look. That's pretty much what I was going for, but I'm hoping it stay this length. So I don't know, I hope you guys like this fun quick tutorial that you guys can do with your own hair. You don't have to do any extensions to it and go about your day. So I hope you guys like it. Did you guys like it? Do you guys want to see more protective styles with your own natural hair, different styles and stuff. If you do, let me know in the comment section below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.
What's your name? I'll be like, now let's go.